I've been posting a lot of videos, and I'm new to YouTube, but I have slime, and I'm going to be making a slime smoothie. I am so excited. Do I have to do this to my beautiful slimes? Of course you do. That's why it's called a slime smoothie. I guess I'm just gonna miss all of my beautiful slimes. Rest in peace, slimes. That was just dumb. Literally, let's get on to the video. Before I mix any of my slimes together, I am going to show you my slimes. So guys, I have two of the same slimes because one of them is for my bestest friend, but I have more at home, so I'll just give that one to her. So for the first slime I have a fluffy slime. It is just a normal slime, but it's fluffy with shaving cream in it. I love this slime. It's so soft. And I have a whole big container of this at home. And like I was saying, it is literally the softest slime in the world. I love it so much. And yeah. And I bought this kind of slime at Target. And then I have one of these. Just normal slime. Then I have my galaxy slime. I love galaxy slime. And these slimes are very sticky. Like literally, this is the stickiest slime. It sticks to the top of the top very lot. So it just has some foam balls in them. Well, the mini foam balls like from eBay. I bought them for eBay for $12. I bought a pack of it for like $12. It's a good deal. I bought that. And then I have my unicorn. I call it unicorn slime because it's purple. It's purple and it is. So this slime is purple and it's pink. This is a very liquidy, very gooey slime. I don't know why. I think I added too much lotion, I guess. I don't know why. I shouldn't have added too much lotion. Probably because it was too sticky or something, but this is a very sticky slime. And yeah. So yeah. Guys, that was all my slimes, and I have a bowl to put all my slimes in for the slime smoothie. Let's get started. For the first slimes, we're going to put it in these. So let's put it in. That one's done. Put the other one in. Well, the same slime, but I have two of the same slime. Now this one is becoming very sticky. And I've been putting a lot of baby lotion from like the store that's from Target for like $12. I get those ones because those are very good. They're good like temperate, you know. I got that and I put it in my slime and it makes it very soft but very gooey. And this is my unicorn slime. I don't want to let it go. I don't want it. Oh my gosh, it's very sticky. Jeez, help me. This is a very like liquidy slime. I don't know why. But let's put it in. Oh no, it's very sticky. Why am I doing this? I don't know. So this is how it looks so far. Oh my gosh. I need room for the other ones. Now we're doing our galaxy slime. Okay, we're doing that one last. We're going to do our fluffy slime. I love my fluffy slime. It's super fluffy. Duh. No, I'm dropping it. No. My slimes. Look at them. No. because of the unicorn slime is very sticky. That's why it would have been stuck to go and sticky. Oh my gosh, this is so bad. Oh my goodness. So, my slime smoothie's over. And all of my slime is in here. I'm so sad. All my slimes are gone. Now, let's mix them. So, we're going to mix them like a broom. The camera. Nelson.
Yeah.
Your stuff is gonna come in December because it's during Christmas time.
Oh, it's coming in Christmas?
It's coming during Christmas.
Before you guys go on vacation?
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay.
So guys, I am mixing all of this slime. So this is how my slime looks right now. Very satisfying. I'm not looking, you guys are looking. Ah, I'm so scared what color this comes out to be. This looks like normal slime right now, but I'm scared what color it comes out. You know what I mean? Let me put the camera back. So, oh, I'm mixing my slime. No. All my slimes are gone.
No sé, todavía creo que el domingo. No, pero es not here.
So guys, right now this is unicorn slime. All of my slimes are legit in here. Whoa, bubble! That was so cool.
You're gonna make your dinner, okay?
So, this is how all of the slimes came out. So I'm just going to put them in the containers and put them back. Let's fast forward that. Just kidding. I was trying to make it fast.
No, Pauline. Toilet's resting. It's in his room resting.
Okay. That's already becoming very sticky. Jeez, why is my
¿Cuáles
slime
nos
clean?
vimos los cheques antes del Thanksgiving? ¿Cuáles nos vimos los cheques antes del Thanksgiving? Porque si voy a comprar el viernes. A gastarme el viernes. Black Friday. Primerito en la fila.
Almost done, guys. Just split it in half. Let's just fill them all in. Who cares? Literally.
Ay, bueno que vengo a las 10 de la mañana porque la mañana la señora ahí.
I'm actually gonna sell these little mini slimes. They're super cute. I will link the link in the description below. So this is gonna be on eBay. Just search Nicole's slimes and they'll come up. If it doesn't show, then I will put it on eBay so you guys can see. And yeah, guys, I hope you guys liked this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up. And I was so sad because I had mixed all of my slimes. It was so sad, but I loved it. It was really fun. So comment down below what other videos should I do. Bye.